Got it. Hi everyone, this is Gia with Miami Corvette Parts. I have an LS2 6.0 engine here with 110,000 miles. If anybody's looking for one, please give us a call at 786-509-3403. Let me tell you what we did to this engine. It had a stage 1 cam. We replaced it, put an original cam with original lifters. We also redid the heads, new seals, new gaskets. We also replaced the timing chain, put new gears on it. Also put a new front plate in seal in the front. So if anybody's looking for a really nice engine, I recommend this engine. Compressor tested, more than 180 on each piston. So it's a very solid little engine. So if anybody's looking for one, give me a call. Miami Corvette Parts, 786-509-3403. Thanks.